Back at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscape, where we turn outdoor landscape dreams into reality. And as you can see with this beautiful custom Tremron Sierra Blend Stonehurst paver patio, we've been able to take back 300 square feet of the customer's landscape by dealing with an area that was always wet, never able to grow grass, and by customizing it with a design that allowed for it to go up against their existing concreted patio, giving them the ultimate amount of space on their landscape, and most importantly, giving them an outdoor living solution that's going to last a lifetime. And these are just some of the ways in which we help our customers and we solve landscape problems, but more importantly, we provide you with the landscape transformation, meaning that if you have an area that is always wet, meaning that if you have an area that isn't able to grow grass, we have a solution, and one of those solutions is our beautiful Tremron pavers. And that's exactly what we did for this customer on this landscape. We gave them an amazing landscape transformation with these beautiful Tremron pavers that just allowed for them to be able to ensure that they never had to worry about this area again having to be muddy, but most importantly now having more additional outdoor entertainment space, which we found was absolutely necessary within this design. And so these are just some of the ways in which we continue to help our customers, and one of the reasons why we become the highest rated landscaping company around is because we're always focusing on giving our customers more quality, more quantity of service than that of what could have ever been expected, and that's exactly what we did on this landscape today. Now really quick, I want to show you what else we were able to do. So as you can see, we have this beautiful Zen Oasis garden that we put together that allowed for us to have two-man boulders along with beautiful design of the Encore azaleas. We got daylilies, lavender, we got crimson fire loropetalums, we even have golden mopheads and emerald green arborvitaes. But this is just one of the ways in which we softscape this entire landscape, in which the entire landscape looked like what you see behind me. And so that's what we've been able to do on this landscape in particular, was give this customer a solution that they could definitely count on, that was once looking like this and now it looks like this. And that's what we do on a consistent basis each and every time you give us a call right here at Brooks Landscaping.